The all-electric Toyota bZ4X SUV not only looks to further Toyota's commitment to a carbon-neutral future, but it does so in style. Ready to make a fresh mark on the battery electric vehicle, BEV, segment, bZ4X blends bold, modern styling with tech-laden features in an extremely capable platform. bZ4X is more than a battery electric SUV, it's a new take on multi-purpose vehicles. Coming to dealerships this spring with an EPA estimated range rating of up to 252 miles, 4XLE front-wheel drive models, based on EPA's testing procedure standards. The 2023 Toyota bZ4X will have a starting MSRP of $42,000. According to the EPA, the average estimated fuel cost savings over 5 years for the 2023 bZ4X XLE FWD compared to the average new vehicle is up to $5,000. bZ4X is the first Toyota vehicle to be launched under the global bZ series, with more bZ vehicles on the horizon intending to elevate the BEV segment for years to come. bZ, which stands for Beyond Zero, was developed with human-centricity at the heart, meaning it hopes to provide more than a mobility solution but also an innovative space for customers.